Hi, this is Altisval. Today's we're going to look at one type of backpacking stove, lightweight butane propane type. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, this stove comes into a carry mesh little bag, and it's two-part. Well, not the stove, but the pot. You have a cup or cover, and you have a larger pot on the bottom that has graduation up to 800 mil. Okay, aluminum with a non-stick something. I mainly boil water in it. Okay, it's not the highest quality, but it's working. Okay, aluminum or stainless, but it's painted. I use one of my old handkerchief to stop the can from splashing around. Sorry, drop this. Okay, and in the pot I have a stand for my fuel tank. That's pretty useful. Okay, it's like a tripod to put your tank on it. Okay, so that way you can steady up your pot, and when you have your pot with lots of water on it, it's not tipping it over. I have three type of combustible. Larger tank that does fit into the pot, but you have no space. Well, it doesn't really fit. You have no space to put everything else, so not much of a use. But I carry that into my car when I have one at base camp type thing. I can use the larger tank, keep the smaller one from when I'm in backpack. In these fuels there is 4-season mixed, like this one. This one is also high efficiency 4-season mix. It's made by Martin, which is a Quebec company. Okay, this is Primus in international Sweden. Okay, this is Woods, American company. So many makers, many size. You can even have very smaller tank that goes into other type of pots, which are smaller. If you want to go smaller, you can have smaller tanks. Okay, once the tank is on the tripod and you remove the plastic knob, as you saw, I marked my top, so that's number 2. Second tank I've passed. Second tank I have my small stove. You can find those on Amazon. Some have their lighters, electrical lighters, or piezoelectric lighters. What it is basically the screw thing that goes on the tank. Okay, that you screw on the tank. Okay, then you pull that down, make sure that you put it into the second hole so you can turn the knob. Deploy the 4. Oh, supposed to stay there. Make sure that you have the 4 stand that stay into the holder. Okay, and then you deploy the extension. It's very compact. It does well. I mean, I've used it quite a lot. And to light it up, this one's really simple. Turn the fuel on. Okay. Usually it lights right away. I'll shut it down. Okay. Why did it not light? Ah, here it is. It's like a blowtorch. Hasn't worked in a while, so I guess it's dirty. I'll check it out. So to shut it down, whoa, clockwise. If you go on to counterclockwise, it is difficult to stop because you're opening it up. Let's see if we can. Ah, that was a little far. Okay. I guess it's dirty, so I'm gonna clean it up before using it the next time. So that's about it. You put the water in the pot and you put the pot on top boiling up and it's all done. That's an easy one, isn't it? So if you like this small video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.